Is your shower cluttered with bottles and toiletries everywhere? Struggling to find space for shampoo, soap, and razors? Tired of bending down to pick up fallen bottles? Traditional shelves just don't fit in tight corners. Wet surfaces cause slippery messes and scattered items. Rusty racks ruin the look of your modern bathroom. Small bathrooms make it hard to organize essentials. Shared spaces get messy fast without proper storage. Constantly reorganizing to keep things tidy and accessible? Limited floor space leaves no room for bulky organizers. Worried about drilling holes or damaging your walls? Temporary solutions never seem sturdy or reliable. Meet the KEGII Corner Shower Caddy tension pole. Designed for floor-to-ceiling installation in any bathroom. Adjustable height fits spaces from 25 to 114.2 inches. Maximizes unused corner space for efficient storage. Multi-tier shelves keep all your essentials organized. Hooks and towel rack provide extra convenience. Waterproof and rust-resistant for lasting durability. No drilling required. Safe for renters and homeowners. Tool-free installation makes setup quick and easy. Sturdy tension pole ensures stability and safety. Black finish matches modern and classic bathroom styles. Perfect for apartments, homes, and shared bathrooms. Ideal for organizing shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Dedicated hooks for razors, sponges, and loofahs. Keep towels dry and within easy reach. No more bottles on the floor or cluttered ledges. Easily adjust shelf height to fit tall bottles. Strong construction holds heavy items securely. Rust-resistant material keeps your caddy looking new. Waterproof design prevents mold and mildew buildup. Transform messy showers into organized, relaxing spaces. Save time cleaning and searching for bath products. Enjoy a safer, tidier shower experience every day. Great for busy families and shared bathrooms. Impress guests with a neat and stylish bathroom. Perfect solution for bathroom renovations or upgrades. Maximize every inch of space in compact bathrooms. No more wasted corners or unused vertical space. Easy to remove or reposition if you move homes. Simple maintenance, just wipe clean for a fresh look. Say goodbye to clutter and chaos in your shower. Make daily routines smoother and more enjoyable. Invest in quality, durability, and smart design. Perfect for home organizers and apartment dwellers. A must-have for anyone renovating their bathroom. Order now and enjoy Amazon's free delivery. Get organized without the hassle or extra tools. Upgrade your bathroom with a sleek, efficient caddy. Experience the difference of clutter-free living. Make the most of every shower with KEGII. Your bathroom deserves a functional, stylish upgrade. Don't wait. Transform your space today. Enjoy peace of mind with a waterproof, rust-resistant design. KEGII Corner Shower Caddy, where organization meets style. Click to buy and start your bathroom transformation now. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.